Okay, let me write the code for the Verilog language again, because this is the first time you write the Verilog language. Let me close the Quartus. Okay, at the beginning you open your Quartus. Okay, close this one. Okay, this is the Quartus. As I told you, for each project you should open the new project. So go file, new, no, sorry, file, new project wizard. Next, for example, I select my desktop, for example, and don't forget to make a folder for it. For example, here the lab number 6. Okay, the lab number 6. I select this folder, so you can check that my location is the desktop lab number 6. I write the lab number 6, and this is for SR, so I write the SR. Don't forget this name, copy this one, we use it later. Lab number 6 SR. Okay, next, and also finish. You don't need to set all of them. So here lab number 6 SR. Now we are going to write our Verilog language. We go to the file, new. Here for the lab session number 1, 2, 3, I think you use the block diagram schematic file, and for the previous lab number 5 and lab number 4, I think you use the VHDL file, but here you should use the Verilog HDL. You can see here Verilog HDL file, right? And if you check it here, you can see the V file. Okay, now let me just copy paste the code. When I copy paste the code, sometimes it's not working. Why? When you copy paste the code from your lab sheet, it's not working well, because as I told you, the name of the module should be the same as the name of your project. Okay, you should do it. So let me change them to lab 6 SR. Be careful. For example, here I write lab 6 SR, and SR are capitals. Okay, so we should write the same here. Okay, the same here. That's why I copy the code before. Okay, now they are our input, they are our output, the register, always everything is fine, begin, end, and just we need to compile it. Start compilation. Ask me to save it. Yes, do you want to save it? We say yes. We are going to save it, and if you check that, you can see that the name is the same as here, it's the same as here, and it's the same as here. Okay, so we don't change it and just save it. After saving, the compilation begins automatically, and you can see here the percentage of the our code, and here the log of compilation, and this is the process of compilation, and here you can find the fellow summary of your code and compilation, and this is the tab of your code, this is the tab of the compilation. You have different tools here, you have a different menu here, you can check all of them. We reach to 32%. Okay, I'm waiting to reach to 100%. I don't think so that we have any problem. $49%, 52.72. Yes, like a Turkish guys had it. Yes, we finally finished. I'm trying to learn something about the Turkish language. It's very, very good language, very beautiful language. It's just funny, and I like the Turkish language. It's very fine. It's very good, very good. And it's like to my language. Actually, my language is Persian, and some words is the same. That's why it's very interesting and very lovely for me. Okay. Now we finished. Full compilation was successful, and we have 14 warnings. Okay, don't worry. So everything is fine. When you see 100%, everything is fine, and the compilation is finished now, and we are going to check our simulation. Like a previous lab sheet, we go to the file, we go to the new, and here we select